My friends over at Ultraflex have introduced a fantastic, certified, durable HP Latex backlit fabric. This is the Ultraflex Vortex Mambo Backlit fabric. If you look at this closely, it's heavily inked. In fact, it's a little over inked, but that's how it's supposed to be. This product is specifically designed to go into a light box as a fabric. What I have behind me is a fabric light box. This is the type of product you would use for that. You would sew silicone edge graphics into it and then place it into a large light box, usually LED light box. This is one of our certified, durable, backlit fabric products that we've introduced into the market as part of our durable fabric line. It's a great product. It's widely available all over North America. Ultraflex has wonderful distribution. They're a very long-standing and reputable company. This is an exceedingly well-made product, and you have the presets available to just download right into your printer, load it into the printer, and print it. Now, this is airtight. You're not going to have ink going through the back side of this. My inclination is not to use the ink collectors. With most backlit products, they're either coated or airtight, and as a result, you do not need to use the ink collectors for these kind of products. The print quality is absolutely lovely. It's rich in all the right places, great detail, nice profiling. This is also cut by MCT, one of my the laser cutter company that cuts almost all of my samples. Fantastically done, not a single frayed edge, everything is done perfectly. This is a durable latex backlit fabric, highly recommended. It's listed on the HP locator, easy to find, you can download it right into the printer.